Today is also our Ultima Community show. Welcome to our show. Do you remember me? Now, first let me introduce our factory to you. This is our Cateron. You can see this our factory. It is self-built in Meizhou. There we didn't provide the rent, and the labor is very low in Meizhou. You can see the Cateron with so many parameters with the driver of the power supplier, constant voltage and constant current LED driver. Our LED driver have so many types, such as constant current LED driver, constant voltage LED driver, and waterproof LED driver, dimmable LED driver, and ultra-thin LED driver. The thickness is very slim, dimmable, and 0 to 10, 1 to 10 volt dimmable, PWM dimmable, 大力 dimmable at. Our factory established in 2006. The cover is about 4,300 square meters, and we have own 150 workers, 10 production liners, and we own with more than 10 years experience in LED driver. This is our office environment, workshop, test equipment. Also, we have video. It can made by TUV. If you want to know more details, we also can share with the video to you. Our products can guarantee 3 to 7 years warranty, and the repair maintenance rate below 0 to 3%. Today, I want to introduce our round shape LED driver to you. This type is very special. You can see the housing cell is round shape. The practice is IP20. It's safe and independent. Put this driver in the wood. It's safe. The thickness is very slim. Let me show you. This model is dimmable. You can see the thickness just 20 mm, about 20 mm. Dimmable improved voltage, we can make 90 to 130 volt for North America. In the European market, we can make the improved voltage is 180 watt to 24 watt, 240 watt. Oh, 200, sorry. Input rate. Such you can see the color. You can laser the logo on the house. This is our logo, Ultima. We also can laser logo replace our. If you want to streak, we also available. Some parameters about the driver can laser on the cover. This model output is 20 watt and 24 watt and 12 watt. Constant wattage also constant current we are available, such as dimmable and not dimmable we are available. Dimmable with such as 0 to 10 watt, 1 to 10 watt, that dimmable, and dimmable also available. This sample is dimmable. Output power. This model output power is 40 watt. For North America, we can available ETL/FCC certificate. For Europe market, CE, TUV loads are available. For Australian market, SAA is available. The driver with high power factor can add to 0 to 0.95 and efficiency can add to 85%. Okay, now let me show you how to use it. This is AZ plug. Oh, sorry, EU plug. You can change as your standard dimmer. LED driver, LED straight light. The driver routing is 70% to 100%. Power on. Okay. When I promise the driver, you can see the light, no any noise and freak. But during this time, the light brightness is very small. Output power is 12 to 80 watt. Okay. It's very easy for you to control the brightness, right? If you want to know clear about the control the function, dimmable function, we can share with you the video. Just play Magic or download our catalog. Different output power sizes are different, but they are similar. Please pay attention when you connect the LED strip light. Max power doesn't over than the power supply. If you use 6 watt power, the driver is 40 watt, there will be flicker. If you want to get a sample for this model, just leave a message or contact us when you feel free. Now let me show you other sleeve type cabinet LED driver. You can see the color is white, this black. Two types are available. Output power is 80 watt to 100 watt, 80 watt to 60 watt with 6-way output, 70 watt to 100 watt with 10 ways output. That means you can connect 6 or 10 LED strip light. This model is 100 power. Input rate is 100 to 240 watt. So many countries can use it. Four ways. Here with a master control. Master control can control the all light together. Input plug is Karma. This is input in Karma. It's very easy to install. This is our PCB design. You can see we use the best raw material, so we sure our LED driver with 3 years warranty is no problem. 10 ways output. You also can share with your engineer. Master control. Save output. Use the transformer, then output with 12 volt and 24 volt constant voltage. Just terminal connect here, literally. AC plug, you can change as your standard, such as AU plug, US plug, EU plug. Master control, connect here. Master control, connect here directly. This is master control. It's easy, right? PIR sensor, weight sensor, dot sensor are available. Usually, when you use the master control, alright. Also, at the same time, if you want to use dot sensor to control the one light, also is okay. Today have the LED street light for the cabinet. So if you want to learn more about details, how to evolve for you, you can contact us. We can share with you the video. The Cynix 80 to 60 power. Cynix just 80 mm, even 100 power. The Cynix just 20 mm. So it's very suitable for the cabinet. Eighteen point 67 mm. 100 power. Twenty point 3 mm. Housing cell is practice. Also is IP20, this model. Low power consumption LED light driver. I believe you will be interested in this model with master control. Also, we have another type with two-way function. It can change the brightness and color viewer app. Here is you don't have model here. Also, if you want to know more details about two-way function LED driver, you can also contact us. Now, let me introduce a very small LED driver for you. You can see in my hand, this model is output power is 6 watt. It's very small. 20 mm. The length is 41 mm. 45 mm is about 45 mm. This model input voltage is 100 to 240 watt, so it can work for so many countries, such as North American and European market. Also can work for so many countries. Different output, the size are different. They are light friendly. You can see. Let me show you. Right, 6 watt. This 12 watt. This model is 80 watt. The driver match C standard. You can see our PCB design. Use the best low material, so with 3 years warranty is no problem. There is a similar power supply. This type. They are similar, but there are some difference. You can see the housing cell. This model output power is 6 watt to 75 watt. This model output power is from 6 watt to 30 watt. Constant voltage. Also, the LED driver placed laser on the cover. If you want to use your own design, it's okay. You can send our original label to you, then you can design it by yourself. PCB design for this model. Use the terminal, connect the wire, input wire and output wire. Match C standard. Today I introduce four types LED driver to you. They are similar. Also constant voltage. This model has so many types. Dimmable and not dimmable are available. Cabinet is constant voltage. This model also constant voltage. Constant voltage. Round shape LED driver. Dimmable and non dimmable. Constant voltage and constant current are also available. For all the LED driver, we can available sample to you. Sample delivery time usually is 3 to 5 work days. Now Anyone have any question? Our power factor available 0.6 and 0.9. Can you help me? Okay. Let me show you. The driver with 5 years warranty. Launching LG driver. Order. LG driver on the table. Can you see? Clear? Traditional loading is 7 to 100%. Dimming loading is 7 to 100%. Loading power is about 5% to 100%. Even 80 watt, the thing is just 31 mm, with high power factor. This with output volt. Input, use the terminal connect here. You can move the screw, then connect the terminal. As I told you at the beginning, we are a factory, so OEM and ODM is welcome. For the LD driver, we available ETL, yes, available ETL, FCC, CETOV, SAA for your country. We have another LD driver with 7 years warranty. This model with 3 years warranty and 5 years warranty. In maintenance, our rate below 0.3%. Do you have any questions, guys and my friends? Have 1 minute, you can talk to me. Okay, if you want to get a sample, okay, that is okay. We can available 1 to 5 P6. It's okay. Delivery time is about 3 to 5 work days. Use on design is okay. Yeah. Usually we available white inner box and cutting box. If you want to print the customers the carton, also send your logo of PDF file. Thank you. Now let my colleague we will introduce other popular LD driver to you. See you next time.
Hello everyone, this is William from Ultima. Thanks for my colleague Sally to show you such kind of products. So now I will introduce our linear shape LED driver for you. You can see this one in my hand. This is very special design. It's long and slim shape. And it is special for the LED linear light and LED fixture lights. So this is very popular. Such beautiful design and white housing. And the cover we can use orange and white color is our standard. If you want change the color to be such as blue or such as black, or is no problem. Just have the MOQ request about 1,000 pieces, 1,000 to 2,000 pieces. Okay, this one is from the 30 to 150 watt. This one is 60. Let me show you the thickness and the length and the width. Wait a moment. Okay, now this one is 30 watt. The thickness is only the 18. It's very slim. Can you see clearly? It's 18.8. And the length is just about 200 mm. And the width is about 29 to 30. You can see. And you can see this one. This one is the biggest one, is almost 150 watt. And we also have another sample size, but we didn't take here. Maybe you can contact us for more info. Okay, here is the empty, because we use laser for the label here. Oh, this one is IP20. We use the PC raw material for this type, because PC is a very good raw material. It has fireproof and double insulation, and so we can make this LED driver is independent. And also, if you because some customers they worry about the temperature is very high after use for a long time. But if you use our LED driver, don't worry about this. And this driver is 7 years warranty, is SAA CTIC SM approved for the Australia market, is ETL/UL for FCC for the North American market, and TVCE Rose for the Europe market. So this LED driver can work for the whole world, is no problem. The IP20 can be put on the wooden, is no problem, because it's very safe. And here you can see here, we use the terminal for the inside and both sides, so it's very easy to the installation. It's very easy for the personal use. And the input we can make 100 to 277. Yeah. The output can be 12, 24, and 36, and even we can make 48. So we can make 4 different output voltage. IP20 is for indoor use. Also, we have the IP67. You can see this one. Just like this one. This position is for the label. Here is our Ultima logo. Here is our Ultima logo. And here has the model number info. We can change the logo and model number as yours. It's free for you, no any extra costs. And here is the certificate part. So the CE, CTIC, ETL, SAA, as I mentioned just now. And you can see our design. This design is very good for the heat dissipation. That's why. And also we used glue inside. It's filled with glue inside. That's why we can make sure our LED driver are with high efficiency up to 86%. Except the efficiency, we even can make this LED driver can be high PF 0.9. You may know some LED driver, and also this one is non-flicker. You may know most of LED driver on the market is flicker when make high PF 0.9 or is flicker free with low PF 0.6. But we can make both flicker free and high PF 0.9. What is flicker free? It means when you use the camera to see the lights, there is no any wave, so it's very good for it can protect your eyes, and also it's special request from the hospital and some projects. Normally now for some Europe markets such as Italy, they always request a non-flicker. And this waterproof, so we use the wire for the input and output direct. And this one, we use the silicon wire. Also, let me show you the inside PCB design. You can see. So if you are an engineer, you are very surprised with our design. It's very special and it's very professional technology. We use very shiny tin and we use the Rubicon capacitor. Rubicon from Japan, so we can make sure our LED driver is 7 years warranty. This one is 100 watt PCB design. Actually, the waterproof and the IP20 has same PCB design, just the housing, and IP20 just with plastic housing, and the waterproof are with glue inside. So that is the difference. Okay, this one is 60 watt, 60 watt design. You can see. Watt. This one is 12 watt with full EMC, EMI approved, and also the ETL approved. This one is 30 watt. You can see our design is very good. I think this one is also is 60 watt, same as this one. 60 watt. And all of these products has short circuit protection, overload protection, and over temperature protection. So don't worry about our quality. Few supplier can provide you 7 years warranty because most of products in the market is 3 years warranty or 5 years warranty. So this product is very popular by the Europe and the North American market. And also, if you want, some customer wish from Brazil. Brazil market is very sensitive for the price, so we have another design for such kind of product markets, such as Turkey and market. Look this one. This one is aluminum housing, but it is IP20. You can see this one is silver color, so if you make laser, it's not very clearly. So we make the label, we make the sticker label here. Sticker label. With that, now the sample is only black color. It's also our logo and model number and the certificates and the specifications info here. So if some customer they want change this sticker to be color sticker is no problem. And this one is a wire direct. This is really special by the Brazil market. It's from 80 to 72 watt. The 72 is the max. It's about we are still in the production for this one is about 50,000. It's only for one customer that choose many different wattage. Can be 12 and 24 watt, and this one is more cheaper than this one because this is 2 years warranty. And this is 7 years warranty. So we have many different products for different markets. You can tell us your requirements, your demands, so we can recommend you the correct one, the cost-effective one. But please don't worry about the quality. Quality is our main aim on the products, because we know how important it is. It is for long-term business, and we did this LD driver since 2006, and we attend Latin Fair every year. So we have a good reputation by our customer, because we are in the same boat. If some quality problems happen, so we will face very big problem. All of our LD driver are 118 testing about 8 hours before the shipment, so we can control our LD driver defective rate is within 0.3%. It's very low, but you know this is electronic products, so nobody can say that no one have problem, even meanwhile, right? So I think you can understand. You can try our samples. So if you have any interested in, you can contact us now. So my colleague will send you our catalog. Thank you. And also, maybe you have a question. This kind of LD driver, the little shape LD driver, only can be non-dimmable. Not only, but this one is only non-dimmable. Yeah, and the 7 years warranty is very good products, because this one can be check dimmable only, can be 3-in-1. What is 3-in-1 is 0 to 10, 1 to 10 PWM, and or even can be 5-in-1. 5-in-1 it means check dimmable 0 to 10, 1 to 10 PWM potentiometers, 5 different dimming function in one LD driver. That's very great design on the market. Later you can see behind me, this is the sample board here, so later I will show you our dimming. Maybe I'm not sure if you can see clearly. Okay, later let me show you. Firstly, let me focus on this LED driver because firstly is the input voltage. Because you may know that for the track dimmable LED driver, the input voltage only can be single, such as 90 to 130 30 volts, right? Yes, but we can make full input voltage such as 1 to 100 to 277. So, such as for North American markets, they always request full input voltage. So this one is very good. And besides is our loading. Our loading is from 10 to 100%. That means this one is 60 watt, 12 watts. And even can load 6 to 60 watt. Such big range, it will always show you the good dimming function. But you know some products in the market, the loading is 70 to 100%. What does it mean? It means if you use a 60 watt LED driver, it only can load about 70 is about 30 to 60 watt. So it's very narrow range. Only this range can show you very good dimming. If less or more than this range, maybe it is flicker when you are dimming, so it's not very good function. And even our dimming is very good. Our dimming is from 0 to 100%. It means when you dimming, it can dim off. So it's very good because some customers they don't want the mean brightness. They want the lights off. And also our LED driver has a very good function is all our dimmable driver is PWM output. It does not change the color index during the dimming, such as because our engineers did many tested from the market, they chose the LED strip from the market and found that most of LED strip warm white temperature is about 3000 K, but some LED driver they can change. But how to say, such as some LED driver to load. If you use other LED driver, it can change the white color temperature, such as the standard is 3000 K, but maybe it can change to be 2800 or higher, such as 3000 to 200. But if no matter is less or more than the standard, it's not good for the lifetime of your LED lamps. So if you use this one, it will always keep 3000 K. So it's very good for the lifetime, and even it's good for your eyes, for your it is comfortable and smooth to use. Okay, follow me, I will show you the dimmable. I will show you the dimmable. Can you see clearly? Yeah. Wait a moment. Okay, you can see this one is the 5-in-1 LED driver 60 watt, and it is 12 volts. So it already connected with the LED strip light. And here is the dimmer. This is 0 to 10 dimmer. Maybe it's too far, so not very clearly. This is the check dimmer. Okay, now I adjust the dimmer. You can see the brightness is become more and more light. Okay, this is the biggest brightness. Now I'm still adjust it to become dark and dark. Okay, this is 0. So, okay, let me show you again. It's very easy and very smooth during the dimming, you can see, right? And even I'm very close from the LED strip, there's no any flicker and no noise during the dimming. Also, our LED driver has a very good function. It is memory function. What is memory function? Such as now, I adjust the brightness about 50%. 50%. Brightness is 50%. Now I turn off the brightness. Okay, now turn on. Turn on again. So it always keep the 50%. So you can choose the brightness as you want, such as you want 80% or you want 20%. So all is very easy to set. This one is also another light. You can see together. Actually, we have some sample boards on the Hong Kong market, Hong Kong lighting fair. Many customers very interested in by our products. Okay, that's all for the long slim shape LED driver, and also, adjust the. Okay, so this one is very popular by our customers. If you want to try samples, no problem, we can make. Sample ready is about 1 week. And for the mass production, based on the quantity, for example, about 5,000 quantity is about 20 days. You know how slowly the raw materials comes to our factory now, because here is very hard situation in China, because the cost of the raw material is always increasing, and even here is very lack of raw materials such as IC. I think the customer know that it's very crazy. So at this situation, we also can keep very fast delivery time. We respect delivery time very much. Okay, next I will show you which one? I will show you the junction box. Junction box is also very popular by the North American market. Give me 2 minutes to take sample here. You can see this one. Looks very familiar by the North American market, right? This is called junction box LED driver. It looks very special. Why we make this design? Because this is very special for North America. No any Europe markets have this request, because North American market has very strictly requirements for the wiring. They don't allow any wiring to be exposed, so we make this junction box edge driver for them. You can see this one. This one, firstly, you can see our label. Yeah, this one is the ETL approved. Now we are applying UL. Maybe on next month, the end of next month, we will get the UL certification. So you can take samples to test first. And here is the IP. Here is the our logo and model number, and also the specifications information here. ETL certificate here. And also this one is class 2 RoHS SELV type HL certificates. Class 2, this one is class 2, yeah, no problem for the class 2. Maybe you have a question, what is IP grade? This is for the IP54. So it is for the wet, dry and damp location. It's for dry, damp and wet locations. But if you want to use for the outside always, we suggest you choose IP67. It is more better than this one. The IP grade is more better, and this is just for the wet location. This one is 61. It's very small, right? The thickness is also very small. It's about 46. Okay, let's see this one. This one is more clearly to show you how to use. Okay, let's focus on this one. Here is the body. The inside is PCB and filled with glue inside. We have two covers. One cover is for body and is for PCB body, and one cover is for the whole products. This one is from 30 to 300 watt, so it's very big range for your choice. Okay, let's see the wiring part. This is input for North America. Input, we use the red and black color, and for the output, we use the this is special request is black and the white color for the output side, and this is input side. Input side North America is different as the Europe market. We always request black and white color, and this green is the ground color, and this is output. Here has the purple one because this is for the dimmable to connect with the dimmable. This is connect with LED strip direct. Also, let me show you the specifications, such as that one, the linear shape. This one also can be non-dimmable, check dimmable only, and also the 5-in-1 dimmable. 5-in-1 dimmable, let me confirm again. 5-in-1, that means check. It means check 0 to 10, 1 to 10, PWM, and the potentiometers. 5 different dimming functions in one LED driver. What is different our products with others? Firstly, it is the input voltage. See, you can see this one. The input voltage is 100 to 277. It's very special for the dimmable edge driver, such as track dimmable, because for the regular market, they only can make single input voltage, such as 90 to 130, or maybe higher, maybe 180 to 277, but we can make 4 input voltage, so it can easy to use. Okay, the load is also 10 to 100%, such as the same as the linear shape, because this is all as we developed it at the same time since about 17 years. So it is very special. The loading is 10 to 100%. It means 100 watt AD driver, you can load 10 to 100 watt. Yeah, during this range, it will always show you very good dimming function. And also the loading. The dimming. Dimming is 0 to 100%. 5 seconds before I show you the customer about our dimming, how good. There's no any flicker and no noise. It's very good. Also, this one is 7 years warranty. It's very long and very special warranty. Few customers, they can provide such long warranty for you. How is also very easy to installation, such as here we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 holes. You can use a tool to knock out such as this one, so you can use the strain relief to here, and the edge strip goes through from here and connect it inside here, so no any wire to be exposed. It's very easy. Also, this one is a short circuit protection, overload protection, and over temperature protection. All of our edge driver are leading and trailing edge together, so it is ERV and MLV can match. And also, we did many tests from. We purchased the dimmer from the local market, from the from the USA, from the Canada, from the Mexico, and many markets. So because we want to try to your local dimmer to make sure everything is very good for use. So this one, if you want to get the list, you can contact us. We have a list which show you the model number and the picture which we tested. So all of our edge driver can match 90% dimmers on the market. So it's very good, right? Also, let me simply show you we also have a very special design for the this one. It's very special design. It's our new design for the housing. You can see. It's very easy. And here, because this is our very new design, I'm sorry I can't show you very more information. So because it has many secret from this industry, so we don't want to allow our any other competitors to know our such good design. So if you want to get more info, you can contact us. We also have many videos about these products. And this one can be set 30 to 300 watt, and also can be 20 to 12, 24 and 36 and 48 output. And here you can see this ear. You can use the screw to fix the LED driver on the place. This is metal housing, aluminum. We have, this is aluminum housing and metal housing, both we have. And even if you say this one is more big, we also have another smaller one. Okay, let me show you at the moment. Okay, here you can see this one is very small. You can see compared with my hand. My hand is very small. This one is, but this one is a series is from 12 to 100 watt. 12 to 100 watt. And also, but this one is the empty housing I take here. This part is for the PCB. The complete product is PCB, such as this one. And here is the wiring part. Some customer who like this one is most customer is from the Canada. They always use the on packing and on label here. I can show you the info if you want. If you want, you can contact us. It's very small voltage, the small size. Okay, that's all for the junction box LED driver. Junction box LED driver. Next, I will show you a very good design products. Why I said, because you may know now the slim size and small size is very popular on the market, because it looks very good and even the weight is very better. You can see smaller, very smaller, and looks very beautiful design. The whole white body. Whole white body. Very beautiful, right? Such beautiful design. Okay, firstly, let me show you the constant current type. The constant current is multi-one. What is multi-one? It means this one LED driver can choose the different current as you want. Such as this one is almost 51. This is max because this CC type, this multi-type is, this shape is from 25 watt to 51. This hover is our label. Here is Ultima logo and model number, and here is the specifications information. And here this part show you how to control the current by this DIP switch. Here is the DIP switch. Later I will show you. So this one is very popular by the Europe market, and it is very common for the customer who is the distributor for the constant current LED driver, or the customer who has many different LED lights, they want to use different current. Because if you buy this one, you only need to buy this one LED driver to load with different current. No need to buy many LED driver. And this one is CE for the Europe market, the ETL for the Canada market. I think you are surprised, right? Because this very good design. Also, this is the PC material for this one. PC, such as I said, for the linear shape. We all our IP20 LED driver we are use PC because this is very good raw materials for the heat dissipation and is double insulation and is better. That's why we can make our LED driver with high efficiency up to 86%. This laser part. This info only can be black color. If you want sticker or if you want color, it's no problem according to your request. And we use one LED driver with one white color inbox. Which one color inbox? The Ultima logo and model number can change to use for free. It's no problem. Okay, let's focus on the specifications. This one, let me show you the thickness first. This one is the max for the CC type is 51. The thickness is only 23. Can see? Okay, let me show you clearly. 23. Hey, sorry. 24 and 23 to 23.8 to 24 is very slim. Very slim. You can see here. Here is the DIP switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 switch here, and our laser here will show you how to change the current. How to change the current by the control the DIP, such as the first one. 5 DIP switch is off. Okay, now all is off. Such as the first one. The first one is show you such like this one. The first it show you all the switch is off. The current is 700 mA. Okay, now you can see I put all the DIP switch off. Here you can see off. All is off. So at this situation, the current is 700 mA. Okay, let's do the second. If you can see this one. This one show you the number 1 switch is on and another all is off. Okay, let's do it. I put number 1 on and another all is off. So at this situation, the current is 900. It's 900 mA. Okay, let's do accordingly the third one. Third one means the number 1 and the number 2 turn on and another is turn off. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now I do based on this information. Number 1 and number 2 is on, another is off. So at this situation, the current is 1050 mA. 1050 mA. Okay, so it's very easy. You will know how to control it. Let's do the last one. The last one is the last one is keep all the switch on. Switch on. So at this situation, the current is 1050 mA. It's very easy, right? So this one is our standard current. If you want a different current, such as you want 200 mA, 600 mA, no problem, tell us, we can set up the current as you want. It's very good function, right? I think actually many customers like this one because it's very convenient to use. Okay, this one, we also have the terminal for the both inside and outside. And here you can see we marked the dimmer is suitable for the 0.5 mm to 2.5 mm the wire diameters. This is multi-output. This is multi-output constant current LED driver. This max is 50 watt. Also, we have the constant voltage type. What constant voltage type? Look this one. Look this one. It's same size as this one. This one is check dimmable. Later I will show you the how good dimming function. You can imagine this. You cannot imagine this one is 100 watt. 100 watt. It's even such slim. Let me show you the thickness. 60 watt. The thickness I think is also same as the constant current type. Is also the 24 mm. 24 mm. And this one is also 24 mm. So you know, such even it's 30 or it's 100, we always keep the 24 mm. It's very popular and slim size. Actually, the input voltage also we make 200 to 240 for the Europe market, but for the North American market, you can see we make the 100 to 277. So our LED driver can work for the whole world. Here is the label. Label will show you all the info and our logo and our model number and specifications of this one, and also the UL certificate and our all certificate we have. So it's very special. Okay, let me show you the dimmable because all of this series are with loading is 10 to 100%, dimming is 0 to 100%, and voltage is from full input voltage. So I don't repeat again because if you want to know more info, you can contact us. Okay, thank you so much. And okay, let's show you the dimmable function. Now I take this sample is 60, and I prepared a LED strip light for you. This dimmer is the customer provide to us is from the United Kingdom. It's from the United Kingdom, not from China. Okay, power on. Can you see it? Okay, power on. Now I adjust the dimmer. You can see the LED strip become brighter and brighter, and now turn off. Okay, adjust again. Become dark and dark. It's very smooth, right? Okay, that's very easy. For me, it's very also easy for you to use. To installation the wire, the LED strip and the dimmer. Also, this one is we tested 90% dimmers on the market, and we have very good function here. Here is a fine tuning function for the voltage, for the output voltage. This one can change to 10 to 11 watts. Why we make this design? Because maybe your light is not exact 12 volts. We did many tests, so we know our engineers is very professional and to know these issues on the market. You can see here. Here is the fine tuning function. Because such as said, maybe your LED strip light is not exactly 12 volts. Maybe it is 11.5. If you always use 12 volts to load, so it's not very good for the lifetime of your LED driver and your LED lamps. So you can adjust here by the screw. You can adjust here to make the output current to be output voltage. To make the output voltage to be 11.5. So it will always good for the lifetime of the lamps. Or you may also notice that our power supply is very easy to installation, yes, because we use the terminal for the input and output side. You can see here. Okay, I think that's all for the slim type LED driver because it's very simple to show you the information and to show you the dimming function. Because most of our LED driver is very good and has common specifications such as the loading and dimming. So I think until now, do you think our LED driver is worth to buy? Because as I said, all of our LED driver are 100 agent testing before the shipment. So we even don't have any quality problems. We always focus on the quality. Yeah, if you have any question, you can contact us now, so I can give you some answer. Some customers, they always request free samples. You know, this product is not very cheap because this very high quality design for the North American market. Maybe we can't give you the free samples, but don't worry, maybe we can provide some non-dimmable LED driver. If you want some samples, you can contact us. We have a whole e-catalog to show you all of our products which we have, because we have constant current, constant voltage, and waterproof, non-waterproof. Both we have. So if you choose us, no worry about LED driver anymore. We can almost provide all the LED drivers you want. if you have any question, because next my colleague AB will show you our waterproof LD driver and even our another very new design 5-in-1 LD driver, so it's very good. So that's all for my time. So welcome to our to my colleagues. AB will show you. For the moment.
Hello everyone, nice to meet you again. So thank you very much for the Sally and we will introduce for you guys about another two items. And now it's my turn to introduce you another items. Okay, so I put my drivers in here. Okay, you can see now in the cable in here, and also wait a moment. Okay, I'm back. And okay, so you can see in the table we arranged. This is the first item. You can see this one is very mini and small, right? You can see this is our new item for the check dimmable LED driver, and I think you guys may know for the dimmable driver, the check dimming way is widely used in many applications, and like LED mini light and all other applications. And also for this, but not for the dimmable driver, we also have the 0 to 10, 1 to 10 or PWM, and also have the daily and push dimmable LED driver. So for this driver, we only do the check dimmable dimming ways. So you can see for this driver, you can see this is the 60 watt and the constant voltage type, 24 watt, 12 watt. This is 12 watt, and we also have the 24 watt, 36 watt, and 48 watt. All is constant voltage, and also we can do your specifications as your need. And we can check the size for you. You can see is 25 mm. This is the height, the thickness, and also the long about you can see this about 83 mm is the length, and the width is about 38 mm. So it's very small, and for this type of driver, the power range is with the 30 watt and the 100 watt. Also we can do the 96 watt, or is the class 2 unit power supplies. So, and it can use in the North American market also for this type, we now only, as this is our new item, so for now we only have the input voltage from 90 to 130 volt input voltage. So it only can use for the North America now, but please don't worry. We can design the items for this one for the European market. And also for this driver, this is the check dimmable way, and with the leading and trailing both edge we can upload. You can see with also relays here. The ELV and MLV also is a cord. And you can see for this type, we connect the input side and output side with the wire already connected. And this is our standard product. You can see here. So even when we arrange the shipment for this item, we will use with the cables together. And also the cables is usually with the 80 AWG, and it's very normal in the market. You can see. And for the dimmable LED driver, I think many customers more concerned about the loading range and also the dimming range. And for this one LED driver, for this type, the loading is from 5 to 100%. It means this is the 31 LED driver, and you can load 31 to 31 volt as you need, and it's very convenient. That means when you have different power of the LED lights, but you only want to use one driver to load this LED lights, so you can use one LED driver to load many LED lights as you need, and it can save your cost. This means the loading range, and also for the dimming range, we have from the 10% to 100%. This is the dimming range. Is very, and also we also can load from the 5 to 100%, but we are more recommend from the 10 to 100%. This is the dimming range, and also from the whole dimming functions is very smooth and without any flicker. Yes, this is the flick-free type. And as we know, many North American customers are more concerned about the flick-free type. They are more prefer this one, and also for this one, and the power factor is 0.95, so it have the high power factor and also the flick-free, so it's very nice and very perfect good items. And also this warranties is the 3 years warranty for this type, and also the lifetime is 30,000 hours for the lifetime. And you can see this one. And the biggest advantage is for this is this very small and mini size, so it can use many applications with size limited, like LED mirror lights, and also LED bathroom light, and also other have like other applications you want to, because for now many and more customers more like the small and also with the good functions LED driver. So our engineers do the many market research, so we did list new items in here. And I also for this driver I want to show you the dimming functions, but as I said, for this one, it's only for the North America now, and the input voltage is 120 volt. So, and all in China is the 220 volt, so it cannot match in here, and I can't show you the dimming function in here directly, but please, no worries, and we already have our North American customers and by these drivers, and I also suggest them, also ask them to show us the videos of the dimming functions of these items. And also we can show to you if you have any interested in these items. And you can see also this the whole housing is the white color. And also for this one, the label, now we use the sticker in here, and you can see, but we also have our own laser machine, so we can do your own laser printed in this driver if you need. And you can see this one. Okay, so if you have any interest with these items, please just contact us, and or you can leave the messages, and our colleagues will contact you immediately. And also, we can share the price to you for reference. And you can see, and we already have the certificates for the North America, and like ETL and CETL, and also the FCC. And for UL, we are also applying now, and I think about next month we will got it. So for the certificate, you don't worry about it. Okay, so this is for the list items, and the next one is also our new items, and 5-in-1 dimmable driver. And if you also saw our last live shows or before live shows, you may know I already introduced you this item before in the previous live shows, but now I want to introduce you again, because this is also our new items, and I want to let it and let more people to know about it. So for this item, you can see first, this is the 5-in-1 dimmable driver, and you may ask, what is the 5-in-1? This means in this one driver have the 5 dimming ways, like 0 to 10, 1 to 10, and the potentiometer, PWM, and also we have the check. And also in last our colleague Vivian, may you already introduce another types of the 5-in-1 with the linear shape and also the compact size for the 5-in-1. But this one is a new design. You can see first is the compact size, and all with the white color, Also, this housing is very small, and this one is the 61. This is the 61. And for this one is 81, and you can compare the size. All is very small, and is the IP20. And this is the first is the house looking, and the second you can see this is different directions, and this is the holes for you for your convenience to better install with the wall. And this one, but with a different direct. Why we do this design like this? Because when like you can see when you already install this driver in the wall, but you want to change, you want to take it out, to change another direct. But in this situation, you no need to take it out. You just need to like turn around the elder driver, and this direct is move out, and you can take out the driver is very easily. And also like you no need to take out the screw or others. It's very easy to our customers. This is the function of this design. And also you can see this with the two cover, one bigger and one small. And because we do the elder driver and the terminal divided, you can see. And this the big one is for the elder driver. We do the driver in here, inside here, and this is for the terminal. So I can open it. It's also very easy to open it. You just need this screw, and this is one you can see here. And just you use the screw and put in here, so it's open, right? It's very easy. Or you no need, if you're a woman or man, it's all very easy, like this way. And also for the big one, it's also same. So also when you close it, it's very easy. Just close it. And also this one I can open it. So you can see it's very easy, and you may already notice is the design. You can see, and we do these two here. So what's the function about these two? Let me show you. Okay, so we first because everyone know it because for the driver we need to connect the wire in the input side on the output side, and output side connect with the the strip light. And for the so now we connect in this driver. We first, it's very easy to take it out. We also use this screw, and this screw is very good. You can see. Okay, so this one is take it out, and now we connect the wire. Okay, we now connect. And also another one. Okay, now it's connected. Then we can use to take it again. So we just put like this and push. So okay, you can see the light is fixed, and now then we can close the cover. So it's very also with good looking for the housing or others in this way. Okay, and the second, and you can see, so we show you the second, and this is the first design of the terminal cover. And the second, may you already notice this one. This is a very small blue one. What's the function of this one? So I can explain to you. And I think maybe some customers knows for the constant voltage type LED driver, usually the LED driver will have the mini adjustable function like this way. This is the blue one. So we just need, like the driver is constant voltage 24 volt. So we can use this adjustable function to adjust the constant voltage from 23.5 to 24.5. Then it can match with your LED lights, because some LED lights the output voltage is not full with the 24 volt. So the function is. So we just use this screw to adjust it. So it's very easy. It's also the function. So it's also in this one you can also protect your LED lights, because as the output voltage is exactly to match with LED lights. So the LED lights can have more long lifetime, and also the warranty, and also it can protect the LED driver. So this is the reason for this design. And the last one you can see the besides of the blue one with the black one. So wait a moment, and I take okay. This is the black one. So what this function is, and for this driver you can see this is the constant current type. Can you see this is the 220 and 36 volt. And I can show you another constant voltage type, and this is the constant voltage, also the 220 volt and the 24 volt. So for this driver, you can see we also like for our LED driver there is no current limited, but for some LED lights have the some current limited. So when you use this is 80 watt constant voltage 24 volt driver. So when you use this 80 watt driver to load with 80 watt LED lights, so you just need to adjust to the select the level 1, select to the level 1, then the current is the match to the 80 watt and the 24 volts is 3.3 amp. But when you load the LED lights, it's more lower, like 50 watts and 24 volt. So the current is the 2.76 amp. So you just select to the level 2, to match the LED light current. And also the same way when you load with more lower LED lights, and like the 30 watt LED lights. So you just need to select to the level 3 to protect LED lights. This is the one way to protect LED lights, because in the market now many LED lights have the current limited. So this is the total three special design for this terminal cover. And also I introduced about the whole design, and also the whole white color box design, right? And for this driver also have one one very good design. This is when you want to connect with 5 volt mini fan, and also load with LED lights together, and with only want to use one driver to connect 5 volt LED small fan, and also want to connect with LED driver. So now we can add an interface for this LED driver for you, and so you can connect with mini fan with 5 volt. It also can work and also work well. So this is for the 5-in-1 dimmable driver, and for this one the warranty is 5 years warranty. It's not 3 years warranty. It's 5 years warranty, and also is the high power factor 0.5. And you can see. And also we also do the 0 to 10 and the expand, like when the driver the temperature is more higher, and also the driver itself, it can feel it, then it can lower down the temperature, so it can protect LED driver. It's also very good functions, like this way. So you can see. And also we have as for the dimmable driver, as I said, we also can more concerned about the dimming range and the loading range. For this loading range is also from the 5 to 100%, for the 5 to 100%, and also for the dimming range is from the 5, also from the 5 to 100%. But in this situation, one point need to pay attention for the check dimmable driver. For the check dimming way, our engineer more recommend that you can use 70 to 100%. Because as this is a 5-in-1 dimmable drivers, so for the check dimming way, we recommend from 70 to 100% to protect to have the perfect dimming functions for the check dimming. But for the others, like 0 to 10, 1 to 10, PWM and potentiometer, it also have the dimming range is from 5 to 100%. So this is one point you need to concern about it. This one. And also for this driver, as I said, also we have this for the North America, and also have for the European market. For the European market, and we can do the constant voltage and also the constant current type. As I show you, this one is the constant current. Can you see? This one is for the constant voltage, and the power range, if we have 21 and 31, 61 and 81. So we have the three power for this type. And because now we only have the sample for the 51 and also the 81, and we can show you the pictures for the 21 after this live shows, and also the video for the dimming functions. As also we will also show you the dimming function videos for the 5-in-1 for the linear shape and in our KD board, right? So here I don't want to so I don't want to show you again, because with the same dimming functions, and also in the whole dimming ways, without any flickering and very smooth the dimming functions. Also for this driver, now we do the stock So if you need the sample, we can have quick quick shipment to you, so you can test our LED drivers. So this one. Also, we can do the laser printed or the sticker like this mini one. Like this mini one. We can do this sticker, and also, or we can do this laser printed as you need for this driver. And also for the certificate, now we already have the ETL, but we are also applying for the UL for this driver, for this mini check dimmable driver, and also the 5-in-1 dimmable driver. So for the certificate, you no need worry about it. And this is for the 5-in-1 dimmable driver. And also next, I want to introduce you another items is waterproof LED driver. Okay, you can see. You can see. So for the waterproof LED driver, because we have too many want to show you guys, so you can know more about us. You can see. Okay, so now in my table, with all is waterproof LED drivers. And for the waterproof LED driver, first the IP rate is IP67, so it's waterproof. Oh, I also forget one very important point for this 5-in-1. This is all is IP20 plastic housing, and for the plastic housing is fireproof, and it also can put in the wooden, and also for our PC plastic housing for this one. So this point I want to see. And for this IP67, the housing is with aluminum. You can see the aluminum housing. Can you see? And first, for the IP67, we also have the constant current and the constant voltage type. Constant voltage from the 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 volt, and 48 volt. And for the constant current type, you can send your own specifications. And for as you may know, for the constant current type, many customers they have their own specifications. So for the IP67, the power range is from 21 to 600 watts. So the power is very big. The max power is up to the 600. Okay, so you can see this is the 31. You see, this is the 31. And this is the 41. This is the 41. And also this one is 61. So you can see it's always very small, right? And this is the 101. This one 101. And for the 101, we also have the normal standard size and also the slim type. And this is our slim type. Slim type is very slim. Let me show you. And the thickness is just about 19 mm. So it's very slim for the slim type. So for the waterproof LED driver, we have the standard item, also have the slim type items. And also for the waterproof, you can see our design. First, in the input and output sides, we do the special with the silicone glue. So it can protect that there is no water can enter the LED driver and to protect the LED driver. And second, you can see now for the many IP67 waterproof LED driver to this design, you can see to expand the interface of the LED driver to for the better heat dissipation this way. You see. And that, or for the IP67 LED driver, we are filled with the glue. Also for this glue, we use sticky glue like this. It's different in the market because you may know now in the market, some suppliers will use the epoxy resin, as the epoxy resin is good for the waterproofing but not good for the heat dissipation. So when you use the epoxy resin, when you use the driver and the temperature is high, then it's but with poor heat dissipation, so it will damage the component. It will damage the component of the LED driver inside. This is the PCB inside of the LED driver of the waterproof LED driver. You can see. So let me show you the PCB design directly. You can see for the background with very clean tints. And for the input, you can see each our components, and you also can see our design. So if your guys is the engineer, so you can know our design is very good. But if you are the boss, you also can recommend us to your engineers, so it can know our design. You can see. And for the raw materials, because you may know now in the market with some raw material very storage like IC and all the transformers. So we also for the raw material we have the stock, we have stable supplies like the IC, like the MOSFET we use Toshiba and made in the US. And also for the most important is the IC, and also for the others we use the lubricants, so also made in Japan. So that's why we can ensure our warranties is 5 years warranties. But for the waterproof LED driver, we are not only have the 5 years warranties, we also have the 3 years warranties and the 5 years warranties together. So you can choose which one you are prefer. And also for the power factor, we have the high power factor 0.95 or 0.98, and also we have the low PF with 0.5 or 0.6 as for your choice, because we have many different market customers. So the more different types of LED driver, then our customers have more choice to check. So this is for the waterproof LED driver. And also the efficiency is about from 83 to 90% in this range, because we have different power factor and also the different warranties. So the efficiency is from 83 to 90%. So this is for the waterproof LED driver. And also you can see this one is the PCB design for the slim type, and this one is for the standard. You can compare, right? So you can see. Okay, so I think now for the waterproof LED driver, customers more want to know the waterproof performance. So let me show you directly. Okay. You can see here we arrange a LED driver. And now we also can move the water box in here. Okay, so you can see now we put the LED driver. Okay, see, this is the box. The box also this type. We use this one to connect the wire together. Also this one. Wait a moment, because the wire okay. So now you can see for the driver input side we connect the plug, and the length you can customize as you need. And for the output side we connect the waterproof connector this way. So now we put the driver, and this driver is 112 volts, and also this LED strip light also the 12 volts. So we just put the driver and the LED light in the water. And now we connect the, okay, I put it here. You can see it's more button, right? So we connect we power on. So you can see the LED light is so brightness, right? It's very brightness, and it also work very well. So this is the performance for the waterproof LED driver, and now many customers like with the project or the application in the outdoor, they will ask for the waterproof LED driver. So this one, and also this performance can use in the warranty for the 3 or 5 years warranties. and this one, and also this one is without any flicker, and also no noise. Okay, so you can see. Okay, now we turn off the power and put it again. Okay, so this is I want to show the performance of our waterproof LED drivers. And for our waterproof LED driver, as I said, we also not only have the constant voltage, we also have the constant current type. And also, we also can do the laser printed like this way. And more customers will more prefer the laser printed because like more good looking. You can see this way, right? And this also we can change it to your own logo and also the label design as you want. Just you need to show us yours. So it's okay. And also, you can see the our standard items with the input side and output side. The cable usually with 10 to 15 lengths. So it's also, but you also can send to us your request like I want to connect the wire for the input wire for the input side with 1 meter long and the output side with 60 long. So all is okay. Just need to show to us your request. And this is for the IP67 waterproof LED driver. So this is the 3 items I want to introduce you today. One is the check dimmable mini one, and the 2 is the 5-in-1 dimmable driver. And I can show you again. This is a mini size check dimmable driver, and the second one is this one. This one is the 5-in-1 dimmable driver, and the power range is from 21 to 100 watt. But for this one is with 60 watt and 100 watt. These two power. And for the third one is our waterproof LED drivers. Or we have the certificates not only have for the North America, and also we have for the Europe markets. And for the Europe markets, we already have the TOV, SAA, and CE, CITIC, and also we have the CB and all others. And now we also applying for the UL, as I said, for the North Americas. So. And we also, if you want to do your own certificate, but with our LED driver, it's also okay, because also our other customers also do this way with us. So this is I want to introduce you all today. So, and if you have any questions, you can ask me now, or you can leave the messages after this live shows. So you can check. If you have any questions, you can talk to me. And in this live shows, we first sadly introduce you with our thin type LED driver. And with also the mini LED driver, and with the cabinet LED driver. And the cabinet driver is also our very new items, and for new items because it have the master controller to control the many LED lights as you want. Also you can connect with the separate sensor to only control one LED light. But for the slim type and also the mini LD driver, and both of them is our hot items. We already sell a lot to our customers. And the second, we will introduce you with the track dimmable driver and also the linear shape dimmable on the non-dimmable LD driver, and also the junction box LD driver. All is very hot and the new items. So you also can see the reply of these live shows after the finish this one. So you can check, and also then you can send us the messages if you have any questions or any items you are interested. Okay, also for the for the laser printed, we can accept, and we can accept OEM even one pieces, and no need extra cost. And for the certificates, as I said, for the Europe market, we have TUV, CE, CITIC, and CB, and SAA. And for the Europe market, we have the ETL, CETL, and FCC. Now we are also applying with the UL certificate. And for the types, we have the constant voltage and also have the constant current, IP20 and IP67. And but for the junction box is with the IP54, and we also have the IP66 is waterproof. And for the dimmable driver, we have the track 0 to 10, 1 to 10, PWM, potentiometer, and DALI, and the push, and like others. And we also have the non-dimmable versions. So we have many kinds of LD drivers for your choice. And we also have the linear shape and the compact size shape. For the driver, we also I think many customers maybe know our brand. We are the Ultima, because we are focused on the abroad markets, so many customers already know us. And at the same time, we also attend many lighting fairs like Hong Kong lighting fairs, and the Poland lighting fairs, and also the Thailand lighting fairs. And we also have the plan to attend the lighting fair in America, and also the lighting fair in Germany. So you will know, and our brand will more knows by more and more people. And for now, many customers repeat the orders from us. Not only for the price is good, and also the service and the lead time is very good. So more and more customers choose to cooperation with us. And also I do believe we will have your visible and stable suppliers once you choose us. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave messages. And also for the LD driver, our engineers also want to design more and more items for our customers as the COVID-19. So our engineers have the times to do the design. And also you can visit our companies after this COVID-19, or when the situation is become more better. Now this is our office in the Shenzhen. You can see this is the meeting room. This is our meeting room, and we also have the factory in Meizhou. We have our own building. so we can save the cost because we no need to pay the renting fee in Meizhou, and also the label fee is more cheaper than Shenzhen. So that's why our cost and also is can low down and our price is more competitive. And in here in Shenzhen, is our sales teams is about 20 persons in here. And in Meizhou, it's about 250 workers in layers. And also, if you want to visit our factories, also can okay, and we can take you to look around in our factories. Okay, so you guys have any questions? Please leave the messages. And also for this live shows is in here now, and any questions you can send the messages to us. Okay, see you, bye bye, see you guys next time, bye bye.